Alright, good morning all. I'm sat inside the little blue car today, and today we're taking it out on track. Now, it's Lakeside Park, it's the little Khanacross track, it's not the full, like, you know, the racetrack. This thing would be too slow for that anyways. But, you know, it's going to be quite a fun day. It is a little bit rainy today, which, you know, might be interesting. I have got a GoPro. I'm going to see if I can mount it somehow, like here on one of the windows, so you can still get like a good, you know, good view. And yeah, I'm just sitting here at the petrol station waiting for my dad because he's going to come in an MR2. And yeah, I will catch you guys again once we have both cars here and we're on our way. So yeah, let's get going. Well, we've made it to Lakeside Park. As you can see, lots of cars here at the track up there. Got the Jedi numbered up as well. We've just got to pass scrutineering now, where they look at the engine bay and go, everything is a-okay. And once we pass that, I'll have a helmet, borrowing from my dad, which I'll then wear on track, which means I can't have a GoPro on my face. So what I've done is this. Got a little GoPro back there. However, I can't guarantee the video is going to be very good because the car does shake a lot under idle because it's so much weight reduction from it. There's like you can just shake the car with your hand, right? So it's... We'll see how it goes. But anyway, let's which I think the next thing is the driver's briefing, but we've got to pass scrutineering first. So let's go to that. Alright, we have been scrutineered. The hat has come off. As you can see that little yellow dot there on the windshield. So all the cars are getting ready. We are number 36. We've got to wait for 35 cars to go in front before I can even go on track. But that's alright, so give me a bit of time to wait. We have to wear long sleeve shirts, unfortunately. Yeah, no thanks. So I'll see if I can get away without, but probably not because they're very strict here. And then, yeah, I got to wear a helmet as well, so I've just got the GoPro, turn that on in a minute. His car's just gone off. And yeah, I got some videos of cars going around in the meantime until it's our turn. Boost, yes, tick. We're not going to go too crazy. I just want to see what the gripper levels of this car are like. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I am ready. A bit nervous, I gotta admit, but I think that's just because I'm excited. I think it's nervous excitement. Visor down. So we just completed the first lap. Didn't get away with having a long sleeve t-shirt, didn't think I would, so I have to wear those for inside the car as you saw. So yeah, we're out in a minute again, and we'll see if we can do better. I think I definitely can. We got a lap time of 60, so 1 minute and 1 second. Beat my dad by a second, but he wasn't going fast. He says, so you know, whatever. But yeah, we're gonna see if we can do a better lap now, and hope, I haven't even seen the GoPro footage yet, so hopefully it's not too distorted by the shaking of the car. So yeah, let's head out again and see what time we can do now. All right, ready for the second lap. Aiming. We got a reminder, a 1 minute 1 second before. We want to try and get a 1 minute now. All right, here we go. All right, so that lap was definitely faster. That was a 58-second lap, which is sweet. So that's 2 seconds off. I think, can we go faster? It's hard because I can put my foot in harder, but then it's just gonna wheel spin, right? I don't want to get in trouble for, you know, wheel spin. Like the launch was pretty good. That was actually really good. I'm quite happy with the clutch control there. I've got to give myself props for that, I gotta say. But yeah, I think we got one more lap for lunge maybe, I'm not too sure. I actually have no idea, maybe we have 2 or something. But yeah, gonna try and go faster of course, you know, see if I can just push it, especially up that top, right? I still lifted a little bit earlier. So yeah, just gonna see, you know, see what time we can get. 58 is currently the best. I beat my dad again, so he's not happy with that, but what can I say? But yeah, it was a little bit tail happy on that. So I was left foot braking, because, you know, you kind of need to know ABS. And yeah, the back was kicking out a little bit. So I've got to try and work on my weight transfer a little bit better. And then yeah, we should be able to get a better lap time. So if I don't insert more cars going around the track here, we're going to cut straight to the next lap. All right, lap 3, let's go.
Okay, now, you know, team strategy here. We want a 2-stop stage. You know, just keep your mind in the game. Turn 3, keep it flat, keep it pinned, and conserve your tyres.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna move forward now. So we just completed lap 3. Obviously this was a little bit slippery there and it is raining a little bit, so we've dropped the front tyre pressures to 30, they're at 35, left the rear ones how they are. I don't actually know what they're at, I haven't even looked, but yeah, we'll see if we can get a better time. The last time was a 58.357 or something like that. Ironically, the exact to the 10th of a hundredth of a millisecond, same time as my dad, which is really funny. So yeah, we got to make sure this next lap counts. Ideally, I want to get 157. I want to try and get under that. But you know, 156 would be sweet. So let's hop back in the car go do our 4th lap. Alright, here goes lap number 4. Alright, here we go. Felt good. I like that. That was a good lap. Alright, so that was lap 4 done, and guess what? 57 seconds. Well, somewhat, with like a few decibels, but who cares? It's 57, that's all I'm happy about. So, yeah, obviously the tyre pressure definitely helped. The first corner, I can definitely go a bit wider. I still feel like I'm cutting the corner a bit. Sorry? So pretty much what happened now is my dad was just like to a random guy, like, do you want to have a drive? And he's like, yes. And then he's like, you can take Eli for a lap. So then I just got in the passenger seat, and this is his little lap.
I'm sitting in the back seat. First, second, and he goes two.
Still got the yeah, you won't need more than second.
No, it's not exactly,
bolster on them.
Oh yeah, and you need them too, because it can throw you around. slippery lap, so again, I don't expect any really fast times from it. Okay, not too much to say about this next lap. I've pretty much said it all already. It is so unbelievably slippery out there. Big piston off the start. Yeah, this is gonna be absolutely hit my ready?
Black and silver Dunlop wheels, you know?
How was that last launch, Dad?
Huh?
How was that last launch?
Yeah, that was pretty good.
I just put my foot down.
As I said, we're going to have a few little prizes, a bit of fun and stuff. We're going to start off with fastest time of the day. Who would that be?
Not me.
Chappie right there.
You already know, that's why I was hoping you'd come forward.
I was going to say this arsehole.
Who brought him?
Great job, Carl.
Gets it all from there. Thank you.
Showed your dad up nicely.
Hang on, fast time of the day. I had it here somewhere. Callum, just a little thing to remind you.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, most improved. Where's this little bloody three-cylinder?
Oh!
Sandbagging at the start, wasn't it? That's alright.
I've actually won something. That's so funny. Well guys, what a wonderful way to end this video. I actually won something as well. Best improved time of the day. So, yeah, I'm quite happy with that, I actually have to say, especially for the fact, you know, it was wet and raining and whatnot. So, but yeah, lots of fun. If you did stick around all the way to the end, thank you a lot. You had no reason to do that. This is a video that's bringing it like, you know, 20 views probably. I don't really care. I just upload for fun. So yeah, in 3 million years when I upload the next video, I will see you then. But until now, enjoy the rest of your day and goodbye.